welcome to Debbie's Delights. So tonight we're having soft shell corn tortillas with shredded beef, tacos. So what I've done is we cut up some purple and white onion and we're just going to fry that up real quick. Generally I would just use white onion, but we didn't have enough, so we're using purple onion too, but it'll be fine. And then what I did is I took a roast, I put it in the crock pot, and right when it was done, I took it out and put it in a bowl and I chopped it up like real quick with this guy here. So I just went round and round like this, but it shredded it for me. So this way is already shredded. It's a whole lot easier when it's hot to shred it than when it's not. So we got all that, and I'm going to add it over here to the onions. I'll let that cook. Here we go. Way too much beef here. Let's save a little bit of that here. I'll put a little more. And then to that, I'm going to add garlic. So again, this is from the dollar store. I'm going to chop a little bit, big bunch of that. I like a lot of garlic. Put that in there. Two big heaping tablespoons. Just let all this kind of like fry together. I just want the onion to cook and the meat to heat up. I don't want to cook the meat too long because it's already cooked. And then I have cilantro. So we're going to put that in there. And I don't mind the stems. They just kind of, except for the big long ones like that. But try to get to the leaves. Just go around there. And bunch it up here. And we got black beans cooking in the background. This is my husband's idea. He's the black bean guy. Not me. And I think we have jalapenos in it too, so I definitely won't eat it. We're just going to mix this up here. I've got cumin. Probably about a good tablespoon of that in there too. I like a lot of cumin in it. So just let that fry up here. And then in this little skillet here, we've got oil. And I'm going to turn that back up, get it nice and hot. And what I do is I'll take paper towels and I cut them. Usually I cut them in more squares than this, but this will work fine. So I take one paper towel and I'm going to put it on my plate. And I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to stick it in there and I'm going to cook it real fast. Just like that. And then we're going to flip it over. So you see it's already crisping up. Now I'm not cooking it fully. So I'll put that in there and I fold this over like that. I'm going to cook this one up. So I don't want it completely cooked yet, and I'll show you why here in a second. Put another paper towel and another one. And let's go back over here and stir this up. You need to be an octopus and have 8 hands. Oops, here we go. Little crispy little fryer. There we go.
I like it.
You like it crispy?
Yes, please.
Okay, well we're going to put cheese on it, really crispy it.
Oh.
Are we doing that? Okay, we'll do that. We'll try it that way. Okay. Usually we use cheddar cheese, and we went to the store and we got, I can't even pronounce it, cotija cheese. It's a Mexican cheese. You explain it, Michael. It's from a Mexican, it's goat milk cheese. Goat milk cheese. Anyway, we're trying it. What is it?
It's not.
What is it? What is it?
Oh my God.
What is it? Anyway, it's C-O-T-I-J-A, cheese.
Oh,
We're
dear.
trying it out. We've never tried it.
Oh,
It's that
dear.
white shredded cheese that crumbles up, so we're going to try it. I've never tried it cooking. No, it does come from Mexico, though. According to the internet. Alright, we're going to fry these little guys up. Just barely fry them up. Okay. So I'm going to keep this oil heating up. Get the oil off. I use the paper towels to soak up the oil. So back over here, just make sure this is cooking. And it's starting to dry up a little bit. So what I'm going to do is add a little more oil to it. Nice and crispy there, okay. Don't add too much oil, just a little bit. Now let's look at this creation back here. We've got black beans and onion and cilantro. And it looks like it's just black beans for McCann, and we're just gonna mix it up here a little bit and we'll let it simmer back there. Okay, black beans. And then we're just cooking this sucker up here. And this looks to me like it's about done. So let's turn that down. And we are taking this cheese. Right, this is an experiment. Here we go. Another plate, another plate, another plate, another plate, another plate. Okay, we'll just use that plate. So what we want to do is get some of this cheese and it's going to crumble on you. And we're going to take it, we're going to put this tortilla back in here, and then we're put the cheese on top of it. Like that, and you kind of cook it. Oh, cooking it like that. Ooh, that's really cooking. So get that out of here. Look at that. That's going to be so yummy. Okay. So this is some fast action we're doing here. And cheese. Well, you can use cheddar cheese if you want. We're trying this cheese tonight. Okay, cook. Make it a big over. Not quite yet. Okay. See, you almost need a spatula. Let me get that off there. Okay. And one more, and a little more cheese. Some of that. Ooh. Go in there, fry, baby. Try to get this cheese heated up. Actually, I'm going to try here. Let's do it with this. Try a spatula. There, it's easier. Okay, there's 3 tacos. And put that over there. And another taco. Okay, let's get this taco out of the oil. Come on, baby. You're cooking. You're cooking. I think I may need some more oil. Right. Let's put that in there and... Sorry, oh, that's what's burning. Cheese. There we go. I think it'd probably be smarter if you crumble this cheese up before you started this. So, forewarned. There's some cheese. And I am going to get this out of here.
Done.
Okie dokie. And I'm going to add just a little more oil because that oil is getting like cheesed up.
Debbie, you don't need it anymore.
That's okay, I got these others, just gotta finish them.
Oh.
So cheese it. Woo!
Debbie.
Sorry, making a big old mess there. Alright, that'll be the last one after that. I'll get this out of here. One last taco.
Take half the cheese off of this and this and put it on there.
Can we do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Fry up there, baby. So there we go there. Let's just get this off that thing. It's hot. Get this off of this burger. Okay. So wash our hands. So that was very cheesy. So you guys ready to eat? Let's get
Yes,
to
please.
this. Okay, so we're gonna get a couple plates. And how many tacos would you like?
3, please.
3? Actually, we're just gonna use these plates.
No, we're not.
We're not using these plates. 1, 2. You want that one?
Yes, please.
Okay, there's that one. And I'm gonna do this one. Look how crunchy those are. Do one of these. Okay, and just a little bit of beef. on top. Just like that. And just like that. I got a whole lot of extra here, but my husband will fill his tacos up more. And then over here, we've got pico de gallo. I just got it from the store. I'm gonna put some of that on it. Or whatever kind of taco sauce you like. See, it's got a little extra onion to it. And then avocado. And there you go. Oh, voila. This is yours, not mine.
There's some sprouts too if you want them.
Oh, no sprouts. You can have sprouts if you want them, but I don't want sprouts. Anyway, you guys enjoy. Have a wonderful evening. This is Off the Cuff. I'm in my pajamas. My husband's in his pajamas. Anyway, love y'all. Good night.